أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والذين يسعون في آياتنا معاجزين أولئك في العذاب محذرون. And those who keep on challenging, thinking that they can override the warnings stated in our revealed verses, such ones will certainly be brought in to face their punishment. قل إني ربي يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء من عباده ويقدر له وما أنفقتم من شيء فهو يخلفه وهو خير الرازقين. Say to them, in fact, my Lord is the one who extends the living means to whoever he wants among his created servants, or he may limit it for him as he wills. And whatever you spend, he is the one who replaces that, and he is certainly the best of providers. وَيَوْمَ يَحْشُرُهُمْ جَمِيعًا ثُمَّ يَقُولُ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ أَهَؤُلَاءِ إِيَّاكُمْ كَانُوا يَعْبُدُونَ. And on the day he gathers them all together, he says to the angels, was it you that these people worshipped? قالوا سبحانك أنت ولينا من دونهم بل كانوا يعبدون الجن أكثرهم بهم مؤمنون. They say, your praises are most exalted, our Lord. You are our sole guardian and protector against such attribution. They rather adored the jinn. The majority of these people believed in them. فَالْيَوْمَ لَا يَمْلِكُ بَعْضُكُمْ لِبَعْضٍ نَفْعًا وَلَا ضَرًّا وَنَقُولُ لِلَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا ذُوقُوا عَذَابَ النَّارِ الَّتِي كُنْتُمْ بِهَا تُكَذِّبُونَ. Today none of you can benefit or harm one another anymore, and we will say to the unjust ones, here it is. Taste the sufferings of hellfire you used to call lies. وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا بَيِّنَاتٍ قَالُوا مَا هَذَا إِلَّا رَجُلٌ يُرِيدُ أَنْ يَصُدَّكُمْ عَمَّا كَانَ يَعْبُدُ آبَاؤُكُمْ وَقَالُوا مَا هَذَا إِلَّا إِفْكٌ مُفْتَرًى وقال الذين كفروا للحق لما جاءهم إن هذا إلا سحر مبين. And when our most clear and elucidated verses are recited to them, they say, this man just wants to hinder you from worshipping what your ancestors adored. And they also say, this Qur'an is nothing but a fabricated lie. And those who deny the truth when it reached them said, this is really nothing but clear sorcery. وَمَا آتَيْنَاهُمْ مِنْ قُطُبٍ يَدْرُسُونَهَا وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا إِلَيْهِمْ قَبْلَكَ مِنْ نَذِيرٍ. We have not thus far given them any book which they study, nor did we send them a warner before you. وَكَذَّبَ الَّذِينَ مِنْ قَبْلِهِمْ وَمَا بَلَغُوا مِعْشَارَ مَا آتَيْنَاهُمْ فَكَذَّبُوا رُسُلِي فَكَيْفَ كَانَ نَقِيرٌ. And those who lived before them denied the truth as well. These ones have not even gotten 1/10 of what the others had in their times. They too had accused the messenger of lying. Can they not see? How did my reprobation do? O my Allah Pak, O my Lord, please grant us the knowledge and wisdom of your holy book, as well as give us the courage and confidence to apply this wholesome knowledge unto ourselves and pass it on to others. Ameen, Ya Rabbul Alameen. Thank you, my Allah Pak. Thank you, my Lord.